Want to make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up every morning to find your bank account a little fuller, all thanks to the power of AI. In this video, discover 5 powerful AI tools that generate passive income on autopilot in 2025. These tools are designed to work tirelessly for you, analyzing data, making decisions, and executing tasks without any human intervention. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or an aspiring entrepreneur, these tools will help you earn online without any tech skills or experience. Imagine being able to focus on your studies, job, or business, while your AI assistant handles the money-making side of things seamlessly. Start building your digital income streams today with AI automation. These tools can help you set up and manage online businesses, create content, and even handle customer service, all while you focus on what you do best and enjoy. Don't miss out on the future of online money-making. The world is rapidly changing, and those who adapt will thrive. With AI, you can stay ahead of the curve and secure your financial future. Watch till the end and unlock hidden income potential. We'll guide you through each tool, showing you how to set them up and maximize their potential. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start earning passively and effortlessly. Comment your favorite AI tool from the list. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback helps us create better content and discover new tools to share with our community. Subscribe for more AI money-making tips. https://www.youtube.com/@smartaihustle. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in the AI world and never miss an opportunity to enhance your income streams. Want to make money on autopilot? AI is not just the future, it's the present. Today I'll show you 5 amazing AI tools that can help you earn passive income in 2025 without coding or experience. Let's dive right in. This AI tool helps you create marketing content, blogs, and social media posts in minutes. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can generate engaging and high-quality content effortlessly. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or a freelancer, Copy.ai can save you hours of work and boost your productivity. You can start your own freelance writing business or sell content packages on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The possibilities are endless with this powerful tool at your disposal. Many users earn $200 to $500 a month just writing with AI, easy, fast, and scalable. With Copy.ai, you can turn your writing skills into a profitable business, all while working from the comfort of your home office. Use ChatGPT to craft high-quality prompts and sell them on Promptbase. People are making hundreds selling AI prompts online. It's passive income once your prompts are uploaded. Create, upload, and get paid. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, Pictory is your secret weapon. It turns text into engaging videos with voiceovers and visuals. Many creators are making over $1,000 monthly using AI video creation. No editing skills are needed. Leonardo lets you create stunning AI art and digital assets. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, or Adobe Stock. It's a creative and profitable side hustle. Art meets AI and earns you money. Boost your productivity or create digital products like planners, templates, and ebooks. Notion AI helps you build these faster and sell on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Simple tools, big profits. There you have it, 5 AI tools that can help you earn money on autopilot. These tools are designed to simplify your workflow and maximize your efficiency, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Imagine the possibilities when you can automate mundane tasks and dedicate more time to strategic planning and creative endeavors. The future of work is here, and it's more exciting than ever. In 2025, the landscape of earning money is evolving rapidly. Start today, and you could build a strong passive income stream that grows over time. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or achieve financial independence, these AI tools can be a game changer. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. By the end of the year, you could see significant results. Like this video if you found it helpful, drop your favorite tool in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI money-making hacks. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of AI and passive income. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's make the most of this incredible opportunity together.